Umuthi ni muthenya munene muno katika Mount Kenya. Thiini wa Mount Kenya ni muthenya munene muno tondu Mount Kenya umuthi ni aria. Nogu niguo yaragia. Mount Kenya yaragia na Mugikuyu wa bariari aragia ta bunda. Uria bunda yugaga hi ho imwe ikaiguika ikaiguika no muthi twabitukia sawa na MCS. Pongezi kwenu.
Kuna wengine walipiga yes na kuna wengine ambao walipiga no, na mimi nilisema no kwa sababu si kutaka hii BBI iwe attached na 2022 because hii kitu ni public document and those who voted yes and they will face the wrath of the electorates.
Then we know there are people who still have rational thinking, and there are those people who value the views of their own citizens. I want to applaud all those teams because for one, they followed the law. Because our constitution says that public participation is a must, public participation is the way to go. That is when we get the views of wananchi.